Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Paspati Bania and today I will be the mentor in this video. And in today's video we'll be going to talk about the VLAN, which stands for Virtual Local Area Network. Let's get deep dive into this topic. And first I will explain you about the theory, and after the theory we'll be do some practical labs. How can we create the VLAN? Okay, let's dig down into the theory. First we'll be talking about the VLAN. And what is VLAN? VLAN, which stands for Virtual Local Area Network, is a technology used in a computer network to create isolated and logical segment within a physical network. Instead of relying solely on the physical network infrastructures, VLANs enable the division of a network into smaller distinct groups virtually. This offers advantages such as enhanced network management, improved network security, and more efficient use of network resources. And some of the key points about the VLAN, which are logical segmentations, isolation and security, broadcast control, network management, resource efficiency, inter-VLAN communications, and 802.1q tagging, trunk and SS port, and security benefits. Let's talk about these points and the key points. And the first point will be logical segmentations. And logical segmentations, VLAN allow you to create separate virtual network within a single physical network device in a same VLAN and communicate as if they are on the same physical network regardless of their actual physical location. And next one is isolation and security. Devices in different VLANs are isolated by the default, preventing them from direct communication. This isolates, enhances the security and reduce the unnecessary network traffic. Broadcast control. Traditional networks rely on broadcast messages to communicate with all the devices on the network, which can lead to congestions. VLANs restrict broadcast traffic to the devices within the same VLAN, which improves network performance. Network management. VLANs simplify network management by enabling administrator to group devices based on the factor like department, function, or the security requirement. Change in one VLAN do not affect other VLANs. Resource efficiency. VLANs help to optimize network resources utilizations. Devices with similar communication pattern or the priority can be grouped into the similar VLAN or the same VLAN, ensuring efficient use of bandwidth. Inter-VLAN communication. Although VLAN creates separations, there are scenarios where devices in the different VLANs need to communicate. This is achieved through the router or the layer 3 switch that route the traffic between VLANs. 802.1q tagging. VLAN are typically implemented using 802.1q tagging, which are added to the Ethernet frame to indicate that the associated VLANs switches are used this tagging to properly forwarding the traffic. Trunk and the SS port. Trunk port carry traffic for multiple VLANs between switches. Keep the VLANs separate using tag. SS port connect the devices to the specific VLAN. Security benefits. VLANs contribute to improved security by isolation sensitive data or the system from the rest of the network, preventing unauthorized access and limiting the impact of the breaches. And the overall, like in the if you summarize the VLAN, in summary, VLANs offer a flexible and efficient way to manage complex network. They are commonly used to corporate environment, data centers, and the situation where the network segmentations and the resource optimization is crucial. That's for the theory, guys. And the next video we'll be doing the practical lab simulations. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye, have a good time.